Good morning, Acworth. Welcome to the Acworth Live News. Today is Monday, March 23rd, 2020, and I hope you guys are having a great morning so far. According to my WeatherBug app, today it is supposed to be a high of 60 degrees, a low of 56 degrees, and a 70% chance of thunder showers. I hope you guys can get out a little bit today and get a little exercise in outside, or if you have a pet, maybe go outside with your pet. I am missing you guys so much. I know that everybody is missing seeing each other at school, but until we get back to school, this will be our daily announcements, and I hope that you guys will tune in every day and respond if you would like to by anything you see here. Teachers, if you ever have an announcement that you would like on the news, just shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I will make sure to get it on here. If you have a shout out for somebody, or if you have any announcement of any kind, I look forward to this every time with you guys every day. Let's see, we have a couple of announcements, so let's get to those. Let's see. Okay, I am going to go down here. Okay, so specialists are introducing a flip grid of activities for students, and that is launching today, and we are so excited about it. We worked all weekend to really create some fun activities for you guys, because we still want you to learn your specials rotations as well. We want you to participate with us. So a Flipgrid allows you to do that. To access our Flipgrid, go to flipgrid.com or download the Flipgrid app. Once there, you can enter the code Acworth Specials, and you can click on any of the topics to your specials teachers to respond by recording a video of yourself. We miss you, but we want to make sure you keep learning and being active, so post your videos today. On the Learning Commons blog, we have a daily research challenge. It changes every day, and you are welcome to participate. I have had about 10 participants a day, and it is really fun for me to plan the challenges. So to access that, you need simply to Google search Acworth Learning Commons and click on that. That should be my blog. And you can respond to the challenge by clicking on the little speech bubble at the top of the page. Today, I'm going to be launching a live read aloud, and that should be very interesting for me. I've never done anything like it. We're hoping that it'll work. Today will be the test. So that will be on my Facebook page, the Acworth Learning Commons Facebook page. Your parents can go and like that, and you will be able to access a live reading of me today. Today we're going to be reading the books. It's a series of books. The Bad Seed, The Cool Bean, and The Good Egg. They are by the same author, and I hope that we get lots of conversation going about which one you like best after we read. Teachers, you guys will have a call with teams and coaches on Wednesday. See your email for the schedule on that. And teachers, please remember that the yearbook is still moving forward, so we want to get photos for the yearbook. Send those to Miss Sierra Stevens in 5th grade, and that will be fantastic for her and our yearbook. Okay, I had the opportunity to get into the school last Friday, and guess what I picked up? Our Warrior of the Week box. So every day I'm going to be picking a Warrior of the Day. So let's see, I'm going to choose one. Get one out of the box. Okay, and it is, oh my gosh, nominating teacher Miss Kathy Jones. She does a great job of nominating students from her specials rotation. It is Janine Gachugi, and that is in 5th grade. Janine, that's awesome. Congratulations. You are the Warrior of the Day. You were nominated for Represents with Honor. And Miss Jones says, Janine represented Acworth at the 4th Cloverleaf District Public Speaking Competition. She did a great job. Not the 4th Cloverleaf, the 4-H Cloverleaf District Public Speaking Competition. Janine, that's awesome. You're in Miss Hurley's class, and it is such a great skill to be a good public speaker. So I applaud you. Everybody, that is awesome. Janine, our Warrior of the Week from Miss Hurley's class. We celebrate you, Janine. That is all that I've got today. I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Have a super Monday, a marvelous Monday, and I will see you tomorrow morning. Have a great day, Acworth.